This is a brand new kitchen sink in 1968, and it has changed slightly, and one of the main things is it's got a leak from this faucet here. And per the man of the family, I got her to fix that leak, because my wife is going crazy. Okay, so here I've taken off the faucet. Had this little thing here in it, and a screw down in there, Phillips head screwdriver. And now what we got left is this. And it appears to be appears to be good and tight. So we might have to, but it seems to be leaking around it somehow. So we're going to have to see what the problem is here. So the first thing we got to do is get up under here, under the sink, and turn off the faucets. And you ever seen such a mess before in your life? These posts here, one over yonder, one right here, and something I installed. Here's a bucket in case this thing starts dripping. And you can see all that pipe work in there, all looking good. And I love to leave a mess like that. You can see all in there. So first of all, I'm going to have to move some of these jars here so I can get back in there. Alright, now we can see a little better in there. You can see the that faucet there got no handle on it, or the water supply faucet. And there's one over yonder, going to be real hard to get to. So I'm going to just cut this off and go ahead and try to get that done. So here it is, we got finished here. All we did was take his shaft out, run down to Home Depot and get another one, put it back in. And what's happened is this beautiful sink here, the reason I got them posts under there, as you'll see right there, where this whole sink is slipped down about 1/4 of an inch, and that's due to when they built this cabinet, they used some of that mortar board, they call it, I think. It's real good. It always stays dry. But it shouldn't never been used around the sink. Because it leaked in there at one time, got wet. And then this sink here is like weighs 100 pounds. And it just pushed the whole thing down. And I was afraid it would fall in one day, so I got under there and put them posts and stuff under there to hold it up. And done a good job. Don't look good, but did a good job. So, if you're thinking about getting a new sink, I suggest getting a stainless steel or aluminum one if you can find it.